Visiting the Elderly, a guide to understanding and compassion. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a heartwarming topic: visiting the elderly. This is not just about the act itself, but also the profound impact it has on both the visitors and those being visited. It's an opportunity to bridge generations, share stories, and offer comfort. Let's dive into what makes visiting the elderly a meaningful experience. When we talk about visiting the elderly, we're referring to the act of spending time with older people, who may be family members, friends, or even residents in care homes or assisted living facilities. This visit can include various activities like talking, reading, going for a walk, or simply being present. It's a gesture of care, respect, and social interaction that is vital for the well-being of elderly individuals. Visiting the elderly holds significant importance for several reasons. Social connection. Many elderly people experience loneliness and isolation. Visits provide crucial social interaction, helping to alleviate feelings of loneliness. Emotional support. Offering a listening ear or a shoulder to lean on can be immensely comforting to someone who may be facing the challenges of aging. Physical health. Engaging with the elderly in light activities can promote their physical health, as well as improve mood and cognitive function. Cultural respect. In many cultures, caring for and spending time with elders is seen as a fundamental value, highlighting respect and gratitude for their wisdom and experience. To make the most out of your visits, consider the following tips. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in their stories and experiences. This validates their feelings and makes them feel valued. Engage in activities. Find out what they enjoy doing and try to incorporate these activities into your visits. Be consistent. Regular visits can create a sense of anticipation and give the elderly something to look forward to. Show empathy. Be sensitive to their needs and moods. Sometimes, they might just need someone to be there, even in silence. Visiting the elderly is more than just a simple act of kindness. It's a profoundly beneficial interaction that enriches the lives of all involved. We hope this video has inspired you to reach out and connect with the older generation, bringing joy and companionship into their lives. Remember, your presence can make a world of difference to someone who is lonely. Thank you for watching, and let's spread kindness and compassion together.